Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your energy, feel younger, and maybe even live longer, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about two powerful anti-aging hacks, the Fasting Mimicking Diet, or FMD, and Coenzyme Q10, also known as CoQ10.
These two might just be your secret weapons to reset your body and fuel your cells without extreme dieting or expensive treatments.
Let's break it down. Aging isn't just about wrinkles, it's about how well your cells work. As we get older, our mitochondria, the little powerhouses inside our cells, start slowing down. That's why we feel tired, sluggish, and not quite like our younger selves. But what if I told you that with the right diet and supplement combo, you could actually reverse some of that aging process?
FMD and CoQ10 work together like a cellular reset button, helping your body clean out old cells and power up your mitochondria.
Okay, imagine getting all the benefits of fasting, like fat loss, better metabolism, and cellular repair, without having to completely stop eating. That's what the Fasting Mimicking Diet does.
It's a 5-day low-calorie, high-nutrient plan that tricks your body into thinking you're fasting.
Here's the cool part. Your body goes into autophagy mode. That's when your cells clean out damaged parts while you're still eating small, nutrient-packed meals. Hey, what can you eat?
Think whole plant-based foods like avocados, nuts, leafy greens, broccoli, and seeds. It's all about low protein, high healthy fats, and complex carbs.
B. FMD versus regular fasting. Traditional fasting means no food at all, which can be tough and not for everyone. FMD is easier because you still get to eat, just fewer calories but packed with nutrients. This makes it more sustainable and less stressful on your body, especially if you're new to fasting. Let's get into some simple meal ideas that fit perfectly into your FMD plan while boosting your CoQ10 intake. Day 1, 1,100 calories. 1. For breakfast, a spinach and avocado smoothie.
1 cup spinach, 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend everything until smooth.
Spinach and avocado are great natural sources of CoQ10. 2. For lunch, try a creamy broccoli soup.
Ingredients: 2 cups broccoli, 2 cloves garlic, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper, and thyme. Sauté garlic in olive oil. Add broccoli and coconut milk. Simmer for 10 minutes, then blend until creamy.
Broccoli supports autophagy and contains small amounts of CoQ10. 3. For dinner, tofu and avocado salad.
Ingredients: 100 grams tofu, 1 avocado, 1 cup mixed greens, 2 tablespoons walnuts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and lemon juice. Grill the tofu, toss all ingredients together, drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice.
Avocado plus walnuts equals a double CoQ10 boost. B. Days 2 to 5, 800 calories per day. 1. For breakfast, chia pudding with walnuts.
Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon walnuts, 1 teaspoon honey, and berries. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let sit overnight. Top with walnuts and berries.
Walnuts provide small amounts of CoQ10 and healthy fats. 2. For lunch, have a roasted vegetable salad with avocado dressing.
Ingredients: 1 cup mixed roasted veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and carrots. Half an avocado, 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, and olive oil. Blend avocado with olive oil to make a dressing, then toss with roasted veggies and sunflower seeds.
Avocado and sunflower seeds provide a natural CoQ10 boost. 3. For dinner, grilled salmon with asparagus.
Ingredients: 100 grams wild salmon, 1 cup asparagus, 1 tablespoon olive oil, garlic, and lemon. Grill salmon and asparagus with garlic and olive oil. Squeeze lemon on top before serving.
Salmon is one of the best animal-based CoQ10 sources. Bonus tip: add sesame seeds, broccoli, and spinach to your meals for extra CoQ10 power. Now here's where CoQ10 comes in. CoQ10 is like the spark plug for your cells. It helps your mitochondria produce energy. But as we age, our natural CoQ10 levels drop, especially if you're on medications like statins. Taking CoQ10 can help boost energy, protect your heart, support brain function, and fight off aging at the cellular level. A. How to take CoQ10.
1. For general health, take 100 to 200 milligrams per day. 2. For heart health, 200 to 400 milligrams per day. 3. Always take it with food, especially healthy fats like avocado or nuts, for better absorption.
B. Common CoQ10 mistakes.
1. Taking it on an empty stomach is a no-go. Remember, it's fat-soluble, so you won't absorb it as well. 2. Taking it too late in the day can disrupt your sleep.
See best CoQ10 brands.
1. Kunal Ultra CoQ10 is the best ubiquinol and highly absorbable. 2. Kaneka ubiquinol is pharmaceutical grade and a trusted brand. 3. Jarrow formulas. CoQ10 is affordable and good quality ubiquinone. 4. Life Extension Super Ubiquinol is best for older adults and heart health.
D. Synergistic supplements.
1. Omega-3 fish oil is great for heart and brain health. 2. Vitamin E enhances antioxidant effects. 3. Magnesium helps mitochondria use CoQ10 more efficiently.
So why combine FMD with CoQ10? FMD helps your body clean out damaged cells and regenerate new ones,
while CoQ10 powers those fresh new cells with energy and protection.
Together, they boost your metabolism, improve heart health, fight oxidative stress, and make you feel more energized. Pro tips for best results.
1. Start with 1 FMD cycle per month. 2. Take CoQ10 every day, preferably in the morning. It can disrupt your sleep. 3. Ease back into your normal diet with healthy fats and fiber-rich foods.
Most people can safely try FMD and CoQ10.
But if you're pregnant, have diabetes, or are on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first.
Final thoughts. If you're looking to feel younger, boost your energy, and support your health, this combo is definitely worth trying. Have you tried fasting or CoQ10 before? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more science-backed health tips.
See you next time!